Ka Office Jong Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills Police Mynta Sngi ka khat pratrik unailar kala Pynkup Burom kerpang yaki pulit penyat kali kiblatri shitom banjeng hasurong da kikinta house slap ka Sngi bat klem ke jingknyum ha Police Reserve Jail Road. Haba ai jingkren ha ke jingelang na kalyang USP ke East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Siem uloong bakani ke sinjam ka bau SP traffic ulale ban Pynkup Burom ki pulit traffic bali ki home guard ki badan binta ban penyat kali kalong ke aka ke ba ai mensim ki wepan uba Vivek ula ai ki jiyaro ki traffic police ki bla trai ka kam ka ba e bha bat uloong ba manla we po we uba sa akut ha Dheng kali ki kren halor ki pulit penyat kali ki mat shibun ki jing shakren la ka dei hakinong nya kali ki paidbah ka jingma ka ba ki bo ira de ban pej ba ki paidbah kila bniah pat ban pintip sha ki wei ba ka don ka kali kit nongpang ka bing hab ban pelan ka kam ka ba ki le kalong hadu kata kata USP ula kintu ya baro ban Ieng Skhem haba ki pintrai kam ki kindon bat ki an ki bedei bat ka jing pniah kali.
Next is AC Nursing Armor. AC Nursing Armor. Next, Rahul Gill, UBC. UBC 1843, Jylla
This is the values which we want to instill in our work culture. These are the values which we are insisting for everyone to follow. So I wish this keeps going. And there is this quote by Winston Churchill which I always remember. We make our life by what we give. So I thank all of you for all the services which you have rendered. And I want you all to keep giving the same. And with regard to two of our special invitees, thank you both of you for your unbound support to Jylla Traffic Police. You have been with us, you have given all your support, and I request you to please continue the same and give us the support which you always give. With regard to Ri Khasi and Jylla Traffic Police, we always believe that our aim is not just to walk fast, our aim is to walk for a long distance, and for this we need all of your support. We need you to hold our hands and walk along with us. So this, I thank all of you. Thank you, sir. And I once again congratulate you.
I hope that today your certificate that we have felicitated you with will serve as an inspiration for others as well, for all our other personnel from traffic and other home guard volunteers who are working with East Khasi's traffic police. So I wish and pray that you do your best and give your best in your duties daily. I know it's hard. I know you are the ones who are suffering the most, whether rain or shine. You have to be on the roads. We thank you. We appreciate your service, and I wish you all the very best. And may God bless you. Thank you.
At the outset, I would like to first thank SP Traffic actually for initiating this whole thing. We all, actually I must apologize to all the traffic officers and personnel. Sometimes in our routine duties, like everybody else, we take the traffic for granted. And we expect traffic to be there in the morning, we expect traffic personnel to be there in the day, we expect traffic personnel to be in the evening. And I'm telling you, the most talked about topic today is traffic. Everybody who gets stuck in a traffic snarl is talking about traffic. Everybody is coming up with ideas, everybody is either complaining, but the main topic everywhere, because a person has to get from point A to point B. So the first topic when you go anywhere where somebody's there's any birthday celebration or somebody has died, the first topic they will talk is about traffic. But the sad thing is everybody takes a traffic personnel for granted, me included. And I would like to thank SP Traffic for initiating this felicitation for our heroes who actually brave the sun, the rain, the heat, the heat from the public, the heat from the drivers, the risk you put yourselves when you actually instill discipline in drivers, in regulating traffic, in making sure that vehicles move, in making sure that you communicate to the other points that yes, we have an ambulance going, we need to clear this, we have somebody who needs to get an emergency. You are multitasking, you are thinking, you are stopping, you are moving your vehicles, you are holding a set, you are communicating. And you are braving many hazards of smoke, dust, rain. It is no joke to stand there for 8 hours. There was one boy which we had sent some years back, we had sent for social work because he had run over one of our police drivers' feet. And his mother had, because he's a very adamant boy, she had agreed to actually send him for traffic duty as social work. And only 2 days he could manage. After that he said, no, I don't want to do traffic work anymore. It is really, really hard. And now I understand what a traffic officer or traffic constable has to deal with on the road. Some adamant drivers, some people who would abuse you, who would rebuke, some people who would drop names, some people who would say, I am so and so, these rules don't apply to me. The challenges are many for you. So many challenges. But yet you brave it. You brave all these challenges with cool mind. People used to ask me, these traffic people, I wonder how they do it, what is the mantra behind a traffic personnel? They have to face so many conditions of natural conditions. Then the pollution, then the people they have to deal with. How do they deal with that? When they go home, how do they deal with these stress levels? mantra is your composure. You are firm but polite. And I'm telling you, you are the face of the Meghalaya police. You are the face of East Khasi police. People know you first. Before coming to the Thana, they interact with the people on the road first. I know of a little child in Sri I remember, who's 5 years old, and that child is so impressed with the traffic personnel who deal out there. Like Ninja, he's always there at once. And he has told his mother that he wants to be a traffic officer, to look after traffic. Why? Because you all have become role models. You facilitate children, women, parents to cross the road. You stop vehicles. He finds you are a hero. And yes, you are a hero to many. That's why we've called you to appreciate all of you all and to congratulate you all for all the good work done. Keep it up. We are behind you. We will stand firm by you in all the work you do to ensure that our roads are safe. That we ensure that vehicles move, that people get from point A to point B. If you are not there, you can imagine the kind of chaos which will be there. So your role is very, very critical. Please keep your good health. Please keep your mental health intact. And please remember to be polite. The public will always appreciate you for politeness, but at the same time, be firm when you enforce traffic rules. My special appreciation to our friends here also, Basam and Ba Tuni, which I think we call Ba Tuni. And both of them actually have also been very proactive in helping the police. They are our good Samaritans who have come out and really taken that extra step forward to ensure that there is road discipline, that people don't drive rashly, people don't come with their bikes and make a lot of noise, people don't block the road. And they have come out, and it has made a big difference when responsible citizens like them come out and help the police. They and their friends and the locality members they bring in has made a lot of difference in our nakas. And I am grateful to you all, both of you all. We extend our gratitude and congratulate you all also. For actually, we have drivers who are disciplined. We will have less accidents. We will have less people dying, less fatalities, less casualties. We will have safer roads. And with number of vehicles coming into our roads now, especially with tourism movement and all that, your responsibility is that not anymore. So once again, I'd like to thank all of you. Keep up the good work. East Khasi is very proud of all of you.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan, kuwi ke Burom kuah khanai pi.
Ivan, baik kan bam, kuat lah sekolah kan. Tak macam ni program ni, hampir buat yang gelak.
Bun sen ki Burom, juk kli bhagi yang Tangki kemat pom cina, iya apa yodai?
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên su gà gram mò tao đã bốn gà gram tem etir đi pi. Tao con đây nè.
Ya khi biểu ngài nè mà. Em khi mà vào đây teman em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu.
Kami ni pergi yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bawa cina bawa sain suruh.
Ngaku ai ama lai.
Tahu hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa hikai gunung kong daga sempol desain go ar dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan ga sempol desain
Gini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
Kamu dah terang laduk mesin dia sikit kamu kuah.